Alright guys, so here we have a classical Fibonacci. So as you can see, we got the typical number that you probably see in any other graphs or video, where you got 50, 61, 78, and 88. Alright, so as I stated before, 61 for retail, golden ratio, 78, 88 for the smart money trader. And if you probably know or don't, these zones here, like from 0 to 50, is usually called discounted, while from 50 to 100 is called premium. As I was saying, like a lot of traders, they try to take the trades from these specific zones, like the 61, 78, 88. So the question is, if everyone is trying to get inside this level here, which is the premium area, okay, how do you use the 38 and 23? Like, is there anyone that is using it to take a trade? Yeah, definitely. There are a lot of retail traders that are using their harmonic patterns, I don't know, triangular shape, whatever shape, dinosaur shape, I don't know, you name it, you have it. But most importantly, whether you are a retail trader or smart money trader, how can you take the advantage of price coming here or here and then going down? So it all has to do with the direction of the market. When you see price making a new low and then it retraces all the way here or here and then it drops, is telling you that there is a huge seller pressure coming to this level here. So that means that there's not enough strength from the buyer side to be able to reach this level, or any of this level. So why this is important for you to know? Because if the price breaks down here and then it retraces, right? Now you know, thanks to this high that has been formed around these two numbers of the previous structure, that you can take a trade and you have a lot of potential for the price to keep going down, like down, because the momentum is very strong. However, there's one thing that you have to keep in consideration, which is looking to the left. So you have to look on your left. What do you mean by left? Because if price is showing you that there is a strong momentum going to the downside, the first thing you have to understand in this case is trying to find where is your next potential demand zone from where you can have this reaction from the buyer side. So where is the buyer are sitting and waiting on your left side, okay? And it's so important because this helps you to be more confident on, let's say, taking a trade and then holding it to wherever you want to take that. Okay, because you know that there is a strong momentum. Unfortunately, we as a trader, we are not able to see any type of orders available within those candles. But thanks to understanding this, like the level of retracement, you will be able to know who is dominating the market at exact specific time and moment, right? In this case, if you see price coming 23 and 36, so obviously if you see price coming to the 23, you know that the seller pressure is way strong, like very, very strong. So if you guys don't believe me, just backtest this on your graph. But as I say, don't just do that. You have to also keep in consideration to your left what's going on. And also, sometimes another important thing is that if you see price having a deeper retracement all the way up here, right, and there is no demand on your left side, so if you see this kind of reaction, this is simple a just deeper retracement, and the price will still go further, because you have to understand that in order for you to have this reaction, price has to always tap into some solid demand. And if there is no demand to the left and you still see this reaction, this is just a temporary profit for the buyers. Okay, let me say that again, temporary profit for the buyers. So you get into the trade and then you can just keep holding it till your next demand zone to the left. Or in this case, it could be I don't know, support resistance. If you're trading support resistance, so you go for your support area or resistance area. Or if you're trading any type of pattern, you go to the next area of where is your pattern. All right, but just keep in mind that understanding the level of retracement will always help you to understand the momentum and the strength between the buyers and the sellers. I hope that was helpful for you guys.